Muling nagbahagi ng video at photos si Kitty Duterte. Makikita na nakahiga ang dating Pangulo at nasa Villamor Air Base pa rin sa Pasay. Ayon kay Kitty, ayaw payagan ang kanyang ama na magkaroon ng proper healthcare. Makikitang naka-oxygen ito. Isang reseta ng doktor din ang kanyang ibinahagi. Ang nasabing reseta ay pagpapatunay na may karamdaman ang dating Pangulo, partikular na ang diabetes. Kaya naman nangangailangan ito ng gamot. Samantala, isang video naman ang ibinahagi ni Kitty na makikitang may mga pulis at sinasabing isasakay sa isang chartered plane ang dating Pangulo, pero hindi masagot kung saan dadalhin si dating Presidente Duterte.
Our obligations under the okay, sir? Sir, ganito. Ito na sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here to the plane. May bus dyan, and he's going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Chartered flight.
Chartered flight from?
Okay.
So we need to know. We need to know where you're bringing our president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give us information where you are bringing.
Wala sa pay grade ko yun, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way.
Po kami.
The hard way is for me to